So it's always a pleasure to have you on my podcast. The first thing that I want to ask you is, अब मैं इतने लोगों से जब मिलता हूँ या especially the creators that everybody is worried about social media hatred, which sometimes gets increased and people are very worried. When especially somebody is not, that matured age, I mean to say around 90, 20 years. And I think आपके प्रोफेशन में ये तो बहुत ज्यादा होता है. So what you gonna say to all those people about social media hatred and how to handle that?
So, social media is a very powerful tool. It has given all
Hmm.
of us so much power sitting at home. अब लेकिन जैसे
Yeah.
है ना, power corrupts and so much power will definitely corrupt. And this is an
Yeah.
adaptation from George Orwell that I like to use. So, social media की जब शुरुआत हुई थी, अच्छा, Veem, please tell me if you want me to use more English, more Hindi, but I'll try and use a mix of both the languages.
Yeah, yeah, that's better. That's better.
तो जब सोशल मीडिया की नई नई शुरुआत हुई थी तो वो
Hmm.
बहुत पॉजिटिव सी जगह थी. हम बहुत अच्छे अच्छे मूवमेंट्स यहाँ से शुरू करते थे. हम एक दूसरे को अच्छी अच्छी बातें बोला करते थे. हम एक दूसरे के स्टेटमेंट्स पे, फोटोग्राफ्स पे
Hmm.
कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स लिखा करते थे. बट स्लोली एंड स्टेडीली आई हैव सीन दैट पीपल हैव गॉटन बोर्ड ऑफ इट. And isn't hate more easy to spread than love? So
Yeah.
that's what has happened to social media, and it's unfortunately become a place where positive things still happen. Very many
Yeah.
positive things happen, but people have become desperate for likes. People have become
Yeah.
desperate for visibility, and for this 15 seconds of fame, they will go to any extent. Now, if I give you a compliment, it does not make news, but if I abuse
Yeah.
you, it will definitely make news.
Yeah.
And that unfortunately has become the norm on social media. Criticize करना जरूरी है. और वो सब
Hmm.
पुरानी सीख भूल चुके हैं. जब हम छोटे थे हमको
Hmm.
सिखाया, if you have nothing good to say, say nothing at all. Now it's become the opposite. If you have something good to say nothing. But if you can think of
Yeah.
one negative thing, please say it. And that
Yeah.
needs to change. Our generation needs to change that, because if we don't change it, imagine what is going to happen to the children who will be taking over social media tomorrow. Let's not
Yeah.
leave behind such a negative space.
Definitely. And एक चीज मेरे मन में सबसे ज्यादा आता है when talking to you, like you have seen this system or rather government from your childhood because your dad was one of the senior most official of police department, and then also he's now in the administration rather in the government, and you are also a part of the government. So I want to say like a lot of people shout, यार government you क्यों नहीं कर रहा है, government ऐसा क्यों नहीं कर रहा है, ऐसा क्यों नहीं कर रहा है. How is it difficult to see how a government works and to be a part of the government? What you want to define?
So I'll give you examples, real life examples from
हाँ.
life. तो ऑफ कोर्स जब पापा सर्विस में थे तो हम बच्चे भी
Hmm.
थे, और हम ना पापा की लाइफ
Hmm.
में, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में बहुत ज्यादा इन्वॉल्व नहीं रहते थे. तो आई वाज
Okay.
कंसर्न विद माय लाइफ. हम पढ़ाई करते थे,
Hmm.
अपना स्पोर्ट करते थे, अपना एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर करते थे. एंड servicemen usually have this thing because you have nothing to pass on to your children except a brilliant education and good
Yes.
sanskar. Focus on that.
हाँ.
For us,
हाँ.
our
हाँ.
education is very important. अच्छी पढ़ाई करेंगे,
हाँ.
अच्छा मिलेगा, अच्छा जॉब मिलेगा, we'll be on our own two
Hmm.
feet, earn for ourselves, we'll be independent. But that was the main focus of my childhood and my school and college years. But
Yes.
as I grew older, and I used to have the same
हाँ.
thought कि अगर
Yeah.
चाहे तो कुछ भी करा जा सकता है, और वो एक चुटकी में करा जा
हाँ.
सकता है. लेकिन मैं बागपत आई, जब मेरे पिताजी ने राजनीति ज्वाइन करी, मैं बागपत आई, और जब मैं पहली बार कुछ गांव में घूमी, मुझको एक सिंपल सी चीज स्ट्राइक करी. रोड इतनी नैरो है कि एक 4 पहिए की गाड़ी सड़क पे चल नहीं पाती. And really the roads
Yeah.
were that narrow because there was open drainage on both the sides, and it was
Hmm.
not very well planned. People would encroach from the road, take areas into their own homes. I thought the simplest thing to do here and a positive thing to do here is to do road widening, and let's cover up
Okay.
the drainage. Simple thing,
Yeah.
sanitation की बात है, drainage बंद हो जाएगी,
हाँ.
बीमारी कम हो जाएगी. ड्रेनेज बंद हो
हाँ.
जाएगी तो अपने आप स्वच्छता और सफाई आ जाएगी. ड्रेनेज बंद हो
हाँ.
जाएगी तो सड़क भी चौड़ी हो जाएगी. You will be
Hmm.
surprised at the kind of opposition such a simple thing like this met, because ड्रेनेज बंद होने का मतलब है सबके घरों से 1-1 फीट जमीन लेनी पड़ेगी. Nobody is
Yeah.
willing to put it up. So when we say that in a democracy, our government is for
Hmm.
us, by us,
Hmm.
of us, it's the truth. A government
Yeah.
needs the support of people to get anything done. ये कोई कम्युनिस्ट कंट्री नहीं है कि चाइना में एक ऑर्डर जारी हो गया और सबके घरों से 2-2 फुट जमीन निकाल ली गई. It does not work like that in our country. So the challenges are great. And the more you travel abroad, you realize that life is very easy. The population is very tiny. Geographically, they are tiny. They don't have as much difference in different regions, languages, cultures as we do. हमारे यहाँ इतने religions हैं, इतनी भाषाएं. The terrain changes, the food habits change, everything changes. Imagine a country with a massive population like India, still managing to keep it together and still managing to churn out some world-class things for Indians. And that something has to be applauded. और इसको appreciate करने के लिए ना, we'll have to look at the glass full. कमी निकालना सबको आता है, लेकिन हम कमी निकालते रहेंगे, तो हम सुधार पे काम कब करें? So focus on all the great things that we are able to do today, so we can contribute and do even.
Yeah, definitely. I can hear you.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I thought I got a call. Got cut off.
No. I can hear you.
So that's basically what I wanted to tell you. So working with the government, whether on this side, like in the administrative side, or on the other side, the legislative side, is equally challenging. And I think it's a great place to be for youngsters, because I firmly believe this. If you want to bring about a positive change in the system, if you think there is something wrong in the system, please first join the system. Don't sit on the sidelines and keep criticizing. Even worse, don't be apathetic.
Definitely.
ये फर्क पड़ता है, क्योंकि आपको आज लगता है आपको फर्क नहीं पड़ता, but it's all connected. It's one big circle and it will come back to you. So join the circle. Be a part of decision making. Be active in your democracy and you'll see change happening around you. और जो मैंने बोला ना, इन स्नैप कुछ काम नहीं होता, सब लोग मिलके करेंगे तो इन स्नैप भी होने लगेगा.
True. And वही मैम, वही बात है, दुनिया गोल है. You know, we need to connect and we need to grow together. And मैम सी बातों में मैंने इंट्रोड्यूस करवाना भूल गया. Like she is the media panelist of BJP and one of my most beloved person, जो मुझे बहुत ज्यादा pamper करते हैं, motivate करते हैं. You are doing a good job. So I want to ask you, like, what does media panelist define? And you can say, and if somebody wants to be a media panelist future, what's the way?
So I'm a media panelist for Bharatiya Janata Party. That basically means that I am the voice and the face of the party on television. So there is also party line. अगर कोई सरकार का निर्णय होता है, उसके ऊपर पार्टी का एक व्यू होता है, तो उस व्यू को जनता तक सही तरीके से पहुंचाने का काम जो टीवी पे डिबेट्स होते हैं, जो टीवी पे शो होते हैं, debates that you see on national television, all the news channels, those debates always have a political representative from different political parties. So I am one of the representatives of BJP who represents the party's view on these news channels. So मुझे पता है आजकल बहुत कम लोग न्यूज देखना पसंद करते हैं, थोड़ा स्ट्रेसफुल भी हो जाता है, and it's a difficult and a complex affair to handle, but actually very educative, because जब आप एक न्यूज डिबेट देखते हैं, you get to hear both sides of the story. You get to hear the good, you get to hear the bad, and you can actually keep your mind open and decide which side you support, and you can actually choose to understand the vision your government has for you. You can also understand where the government might be lacking, how the government might improve. So for those who want to become media panelists, आप कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ज्वाइन करिए, अपने पब्लिक स्पीकिंग पे फोकस करिए, अपने करंट इवेंट्स पे फोकस करिए, एंड नॉलेज कभी भी पूरी नहीं पड़ती. सो यू मेक श्योर यू रीड एवरी सिंगल डे. सेट असाइड हाफ एन आवर ऑफ योर डे जब आप पढ़ाई करोगे. अगर बाकी लोग आधा घंटा पढ़ते हैं ना, आप 5 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा दो, आप 35 मिनट्स पढ़ो, एंड यू विल सी दीज 5 extra minutes are going to make all the difference between a brilliant spokesperson and an average spokesperson. So that is my advice to you. And it's not always easy to jump the party hierarchy and reach to a point where you are appointed as a media spokesperson. But if you're good, you can start with your own channel. You can do Instagram lives. आप सामने अपना फोन लगाइए, जो करंट इवेंट्स के बारे में आपको करना है आप वो करिए, फेसबुक पे करिए, अपना वीडियो पोस्ट करिए, यूट्यूब पे करिए, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो गो ऑन न्यूज चैनल्स एज एन इंडिपेंडेंट पॉलिटिकल एनालिस्ट और एन एक्सपर्ट. So it's a great field because every single time you debate a topic, you have to study the topic. तो अपनी खुद की knowledge बढ़ाने के लिए भी it's a great field.
Definitely. And when we were talking about parties and politics, I was asked like, Bengal election is just knocking the door. And so I want to ask you, I have never done a podcast on this politics and other stuff, but I want to ask you like, सही में परिवर्तन इस बार होने वाला है?
हाँ बिल्कुल होने वाला है, क्योंकि परिवर्तन की अब जरूरत है. See, I'll tell you one thing, and this is my personal opinion, and this is why I'm also a part of politics today. So, मैं पहले lawyer हूँ. I started my life practicing in the High Court of Mumbai, and from there I moved to Delhi, and then I moved into the legal side of politics, and then eventually full-fledged politics. So, we have to understand one thing. New India wants socio-politics. New India does not want pure politics. And if you will do only pure politics without development, without social work, without welfare work, without upliftment of the weaker sections of society, आप बहुत आगे नहीं पहुंच पाओगे. तो if you take the social side along with you, you will go far in politics. And this is the difference between BJP and most other political parties, because we understand what the people on ground need. We understand that we have to help women become stronger. We understand that the youth need more from us. We understand that a new businessman, and it's the government's job to provide that support system. We understand that the poor sections of society might not have access to the best medical facilities. So the responsibility falls upon the government to make sure basic facilities like good education, good medical facilities, a home to live, they are available to everyone. And have our government, and we have seen the change happening. So if you look at the basic things like we have spread it far and wide, and ये मैं political बातें नहीं बोल रही, मैं एक बात बोल रही हूँ. नॉर्मल एवरेज हाउसहोल्ड है, आपको किस चीज की जरूरत है? पहले तो आपको एक घर, वो घर जो आप अफोर्ड कर पाओ, उसके बाद आपको अपने घर में बिजली चाहिए, अपने घर में रनिंग वाटर चाहिए, you need tap water. You know, in Bengal, there are more than 1.5 crore households, and how many of them have tap water today? 9 lakhs. Mind numbing, isn't it? 1.5 crore घरों में से सिर्फ 9 लाख घर में नल का पानी आता है. So doesn't that place a social intervention, not just a political intervention? So this is what the party is trying to do, and this is exactly why we continue to win, because we deliver on ground. And BJP also has a silent voter. All the voters who silently vote for BJP are people the party has supported, whether by giving a gas cylinder, whether by giving a subsidized house, whether by giving somebody a mudra loan to start a new business, Jan Dhan account. There are a whole long list of things which this party has introduced beautifully, and it's made the lives of a common Indian easier. तो हम एक बात मैं आपको और बोलना चाहती हूँ, because not political, but I'm just going to add this. So, you know, Bengal politics is as charged as politics can get anywhere in the world. I don't think it gets more political than this, because every single day it's like a soap opera. रोज कुछ ना कुछ बड़ा सा हादसा हो जाता है, हम उसको डिस्कस करते रहते हैं. लेकिन ना पॉलिटिक्स में बैलेंस होना, डिग्निटी होना, पेशेंस बहुत जरूरी है. एंड आवर चीफ मिनिस्टर in Bengal, I think, is lacking on these 3 fronts, and that's a very sad thing, because Bengal used to be a world leader, not just a leader for India in terms of in terms of art, in terms of writings. So all that has taken a back seat, because you know why? We have a chief minister, when she comes on stage, the crowd will say Jai Shri Ram. Had I been in her place, or had a more sensible leader been in her place, I would have said Jai Shri Ram and started off with my speech. I would have not said, अब आपने जय श्री राम बोल दिया, now I'm offended, now I don't want to talk to you, I'm going off. Does this suit a chief minister? So you cannot behave in a childish manner. You cannot throw teenage tantrums, because you have the responsibility of an entire state on your shoulders. So you have to be more mature than the most mature citizen in your state.
Yeah. Definitely, we are looking forward to it, ma'am. Like all the people around, and especially I want to ask you, like, as जैसे आपने बोला ना, लाइक इन अबाउट न्यू इंडिया, सो इफ यू कैन सी जो आज के हमारे यूथ है, they are more into, like, content creators, social media influencers, rather than into conventional jobs. पुराने जमाने में जैसा होता था उतना अभी आजकल के यूथ इसको प्रोफेशन बनाना चाहते हैं. So I want to ask you, like, is there any way we can bridge this content creators with the government? Because government के बहुत सारे policies होते हैं. Because I feel आज से 10 साल बाद जाके creation या people will grow as a future profession, as an YouTuber, as an influencer. ये करना चाहते हैं लोग कुछ साल के बाद. तो अगर ये हमारे future हो रहा है, so can we create some jobs, or how government is looking on this?
So you're absolutely right, because what happens is, by the time we are done with our education, the kind of jobs which are available to us, or the kind of jobs we want, is something entirely different from what we formally studied. And I call this jobs of the future, and what we are and what we are creating today is the workforce of the future. So जैसे जब हम लोग स्कूल में पढ़ते थे, we could not imagine a job profile like yours, for example, Veer. So what you're doing today, podcasts, you're traveling, doing people, you're doing these beautiful videos. Could you imagine a session like this 10 years back, 15 years back? It didn't exist. But by the time you've reached this stage, you've had.
But still, also a lot of people cannot accept this fact. No, if you see some senior people, they will say, "Get a job. Don't do this. This cannot be a future."
Yeah, and what are you doing? What are you getting out of this is always a question, because only the conventional of being a doctor, engineer, or a lawyer is people understand. But the world is moving beyond that, and our government has also understood that these alternate jobs are going to be making a large part of the workforce of the future, and entails a lot of things. So, like you said, content creators, graphic designers, people who are very good at copywriting, people who can plan a program really well. Every single department of the government showcases the work that it does. And how do they do that? By creating message boards, by creating advertisements, by sharing videos and songs and interviewing people. So there is endless scope. Every single department of the government and even the private sector has endless scope for this kind of work. The best way to apply for it is to keep your eyes open. If you follow the government handles, usually they will always tweet out, or they'll send a message which says, we're looking for a content creator, we're looking for a graphic designer, we're looking for someone who can enhance our videos and make it better. So keep a lookout for that. It's a very well-paying job. Contrary to popular belief, you must have heard of this job profile, social media manager. मैं स्कूल पता भी नहीं था ऐसी कोई चीज हो भी सकती है, social media manager. But it's a tidy job, and it's a well-paying, and you can earn anywhere from, say, starting 20,000-30,000 rupees a month. It goes up to lakhs of months, and people have made huge companies just managing social media accounts. Influencers, you're actually getting paid to maybe eat food and write about it. That's
true.
Reminds me, that's the job I want. So, I'm a food blogger and get paid for it. So I want to say, don't lose hope. Also understand the world is evolving much faster than maybe the previous generation can understand. And the more open you are about your jobs today, the better you will fare, because you're going to be flexible. You'll adapt more quickly. और अब तो सारी दुनिया digitized हो गई है. अब जब सब कुछ digitized होगा, तो जो basic पहले मैनुअली हुआ करते थे, even they are going to become digitized. You would have seen lockdown से पहले we used to all go to the theater to watch a movie, but it's been a year. How many of us have actually theater to watch a movie? We
have habituated that thing, like using in mobiles and TV.
Exactly.
Sorry, laptops.
Normal. Now the theaters have come into our homes thanks to Netflix and Prime and Hotstar and OTT platforms that we have access to. So that is going to happen to every single sector, every single field. Just do two things. One, believe in yourself. It doesn't matter what people say. Second, be very consistent. So believing in yourself without consistency will not help you. Make sure you're consistent enough to work on your art every day. To judge your art. अपना काम खुद देखो, अपने काम में कमी निकालना सीखो. कोई और आपको कमी निकाले तो उसको पॉजिटिवली एक्सेप्ट करना सीखो. So you can improve yourself, you can better yourself. Don't compete with others. Compete with yourself, and never, ever, ever allow anyone to tell you that you're not good enough. This is not possible. Trust me, everything is possible.
क्या बात, like I think there's gonna be a motivation for a lot of people those gonna watch it or those who are watching it. So I would ask you, you know, you have achieved a lot in your life, but behind that there are also a lot of hard work which sometimes we don't see. आई थिंक आपने भी कभी ऐसे तो फेस किए होंगे कि आपने कुछ खुद अपने दम पे अचीव किया और लोग कहते होंगे अरे इसके तो पापा उसमें है इसीलिए हो गया. हैव यू एवर फेस दैट?
You know, it's so unfortunate, and I'm so glad you asked me this because हो गया है. And सबको लगता है क्योंकि you come from a little privileged background. My father was an officer, mother was a teacher. So सबको लगता है इसको तो सब थाली में सजाकर मिला होगा, लेकिन नहीं मिलता. I have always been a brilliant student at school. I have always been nearly a topper, if not the topper. I have scored more than 90%. Trust me, my parents did not come and write my exams. I have achieved it for myself. I have been an international shooter. So I got to that level because I used to train hard. I used to practice, and practice करके जीत के state level, national level, trials for international. That's how you rise up the ranks. Nobody else good for you. And the same thing goes for politics. A lot of people will say that, Arey, she has a father who's placed well. Obviously, things are easy for her. No, actually, things are tougher for me because even though I work very hard, and trust me, I do, what you see is the tip of the iceberg. जो 90% मेहनत करती हूँ वो किसी को दिखाई नहीं देती क्योंकि हम दिखाते नहीं है. हम भी दिखाते नहीं है ना. हम लोग भी वो 10% अचीवमेंट सबको दिखाते हैं. 90% मेहनत हम नहीं दिखा पाते. तो सबको लगता है have come easy, but nothing comes easy. And also the party that I belong to, we are against dynasties. We are against anything being handed to anyone on a platter. So we have to work very hard from scratch. And I understand, बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि आप किसी घर के बच्चे हो, आपके लिए जिंदगी आसान हो जाती है. बिल्कुल होती होगी. लेकिन कई बार, and especially in the world that I exist in today, there is this reverse psychology. कि आप क्योंकि घर के बच्चे हो, आपको कुछ आसानी से मिलना नहीं चाहिए. You have to prove yourself again and again and again, and only when you have done it amply, they agree that हाँ ठीक है, लड़की गिव अप नहीं कर रही है, जमीन पे मेहनत कर रही है, तो इसका कुछ अच्छा होना ही चाहिए. So both kind of prejudices are bad. जैसे राहुल गांधी है ना, गांधी है तो उसको हम इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस का प्रेसिडेंट बना देते हैं. उसके अलावा क्या क्वालिफिकेशन है? क्या पढ़ाई बहुत अच्छी करी? क्या पार्टी एक्टिविटी में बहुत ही अव्वल नंबर के हैं? क्या स्पीचेस बहुत शानदार देते हैं? बिल्कुल भी नहीं. मैं तो बल्कि बोलती हूँ कि अगर हमको भी सुनने वाले कोई अच्छे पॉलिटिकल बच्चे हो, प्लीज गो एंड बिकम एन इंटर्न इन राहुल गांधीज ऑफिस. यू विल हेल्प द पुअर फेलो स्पीक बेटर, हेल्प हिम विद हिज रिसर्च. But there is a reverse psychology which exists, which says that she's already privileged. Let's not give her more. And that's a very bad thing. Do not create prejudice in your mind against anyone, whether for or against.
मैम, मैं अभी थोड़ा पढ़ रहा था कुछ दिन पहले. वैसे तो इतना खास नॉलेज मैं रखता नहीं हूँ पॉलिटिक्स के बारे में, but as Bengal election is going on, everywhere, things are going around Bengal election. So some people are asking like that if we change this government, if we think that if BJP comes, it will be good for us, then why BJP is taking those same people, those who are from the former government? तो फिर क्या चेंज होने वाला है?
So आपको पता है जब आप कोई स्पोर्ट खेलते हो, you choose very carefully because तो वो होती है या कोच चुनते, लेकिन उस टीम को साथ में अच्छे से काम कराना उस कोच और उस कैप्टन के ऊपर होता है. So if your coach is great, your team will perform better, even if it is the same player. आप कितना किसी को इंस्पायर कर सकते हो, आप कितना किसी को पुश कर सकते हो. You know how to get the best out of your team, and that's the difference between Bharatiya Janata Party and TMC today. I believe we are led by the finest captain politics has to offer worldwide. Modi ji is such a fantastic example. He is an idol for all of us, not because he's the prime minister of the country today. He's an idol for us because he walks the talk. He leads from the front. I'll give you a small example. And today only I was reading an article about it. जब सेकेंड फेज ऑफ वैक्सीनेशन खुला, सबसे पहले जाकर वैक्सीन किसने लगवाई? हमारे प्रधानमंत्री ने. कहाँ लगवाई? सरकारी अस्पताल एम्स में जाके लगवाई. कौन सी वैक्सीन लगवाई? कोवैक्सीन लगवाई, which was not just made in India, it was conceptualized and created in India as well. क्योंकि कोवैक्सीन is purely Indian. कोविशील्ड में फिर भी ऑक्सफोर्ड का हमारे पास टेक्नोलॉजी है, प्रोडक्शन हैज हैपेंड इन इंडिया, बट मोदी जी को फर्क क्या हुआ है? We have vaccinated more than 10,000 people in one day, which has not happened in all of phase one. So this is what leading from the front can do to you. This is what leading from the front will do to your entire country, because they get energized. You know, when you see a leader who's working around the clock, when you see a leader जो ground जाकर गर्मी में मेहनत करके रैली आफ्टर रैली, आपने कभी सुना है मोदी जी आराम कर रहे हैं? मोदी जी ब्रेक पर, he's never been on a break. It's been nearly 7 years that he's been Prime Minister. And even before that, he was a 3-term Chief Minister of a very able state. So when you have a leader who's that good, that's the difference. So जब कोई TMC छोड़ के भारतीय जनता पार्टी में आता है, what they are acquiring is two major things. One, the ideology of our party. This ideology is an Indian ideology. This ideology is a pro-Bharatiya ideology. This one pushes India to be greater at the international platform. It does not pull the country down. We'll always say India is the best and we will make it even better tomorrow. And you get the guidance and leadership of the best coach, of the best captain there is in the world. That's the difference.
मैं कुछ दिन पहले I was watching an interview. So there Modi ji was telling that even now I just sleep for 3 hours a day. So I was like, that's hats off and that's something we should learn.
मेरा तो 8 घंटे से कम होता है ना, तो मेरी तबीयत खराब हो जाती है.
No, you know, sometimes, you know, you wonder of that age, ma'am. He's working so hard work and just sleeping for 3 hours.
Absolutely. And he does not have, you know, people or a son he wants to hand down on his achievements to. He is doing only for the country.
True. You know, I won't take much of your time. I want to end it on a last question. जितने लोगों को नहीं पता है उनके लिए मैं बता देता हूँ. चारू मैम is an amazing photographer. Sometimes she makes jealous of her photography. मुझे भी like we have different set.
Nobody else.
Yeah. You know, so there's one thing I want to say about, you know, we see Charu Pragya is an aggressive, you know, somebody very cut to the point in the TV news, like, which is your profession, you have to do. But on the other hand, you are someone, if you see somebody is doing something good, like if I talk about me, you personally message me a lot, Veem, you are doing this good, you are doing that. So कभी आपको ये नहीं लगता कि लाइक इतना मैं कुछ कर रहा हूँ कि होता है ना कि हम एक फल की चिंता करते हैं? डू दैट मैटर टू यू एनी टाइम?
No, honestly it doesn't. And my life has had many ups and downs and very serious ones, and I have understood one thing. What you can give yourself is peace of mind by living well today, doing good things today. And मैं कर्म में विश्वास करती हूँ. तो जब आप अच्छा करोगे तो वो घूम फिर के आपके पास आएगा. We will sow what we reap today. तो अगर आज हमने अच्छी बीज बोए हैं तो अच्छी फसल आनी ही आनी है. So that's why I don't worry about that. And also I like to live in my bubble. Of course I have a professional side. As you said, I'm aggressive on television. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं ऐसे. Okay, bhai, that's my job. And it's my responsibility to do it to the best of my ability. But when my professional life gets over and I'm in my personal space, I actually occupy this pink bubble. मैं दुनिया में सब अच्छा चाहती हूँ. मैं बुरी चीजें कम देखना चाहती हूँ. I focus on the glass full rather than half empty. I read a lot. I read a lot of non-fiction, of course, but I read a lot of poetry. I love clicking pictures. You said so. खाने पीने की चीजों से लेके चिड़िया से लेके मेरे बच्चे, मेरे कुत्ते. तो I click a lot of pictures. It makes me happy because I like to document the happy parts of my life. And I think this is what we need to give to ourselves. It's the biggest gift youth of today can give to themselves. आप जैसे मुझे बोल रहे थे सोशल मीडिया हेटरेट की बात. आजकल प्रेशर भी बहुत है सबके ऊपर. You know, चाहे वो पढ़ाई में परफॉर्मेंस का प्रेशर हो, जॉब का प्रेशर हो. जॉब मिल जाता है तो आगे जाने का प्रेशर है. Some people they want to get married, they're not getting the right partner. कभी खत्म नहीं होता लाइफ. एक के बाद एक लगी रहती है. So give yourself हर रोज आधा घंटा खुद को दो. वो करो जो आपको करना अच्छा लगता है. वो करो जिससे आपका मन शांत होता है और खुश होता है. And trust me, for the remaining 23.5 hours, you will be functioning doubly better than at any other day when you don't give yourself that half an hour.
Definitely. I don't know what to say. Like, you are very inspirational all the time, and also a person like I love the most, like, you know, the way you portray this.
Always so sweet and so kind to me. So I'll be this badi amma to you, and I'll give you ढेर सारा प्यार. Touch the sky. Hope all your dreams come true, and I hope you manage to interview the biggest personalities around us, from Modi ji to all the presidents of the countries around the world.
आशीर्वाद करना मैम, वो तो मोटो है, आपके आशीर्वाद रहेगा तो जरूर होगा.
आप जीते रहो, आगे बढ़ते रहो. एंड आई लव the podcast, by the way. I always watch them. कभी live miss होता है तो I go to your page and I watch them. I love the way you interview people, how you manage to get a very positive side out of everyone. So, well done.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. Please take care and keep inspiring us all the time the way you are doing.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me. And I wish you all the best for all your future endeavors. Thank you everyone who joined us today to listen to us. मैंने बहुत सारे जान पहचान वाले नाम भी देखे. सो आप सुनते हैं, इसीलिए हमारे पॉडकास्ट हो पाते हैं. थैंक यू.
True. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.